In this video, I show you how you can make a carousel post on Instagram that allows you to insert multiple pictures in a single post. So here is what you can do. First of all, just click on the bottom right on your profile icon. And once you are in your profile, just click on the plus sign right at the bottom in the center. Just click here. And once we are in here, just select the picture you want. But in this case, we want to select multiple. So click on select multiple. But before that, just make sure that you select the post from this area at the bottom where it shows all the options: post, story, reels. So make sure you select the post and then click on select multiple. After that, you can just start selecting the pictures in the order of how you want to post it. So for example, I have selected a couple of pictures just like this. And after that, click on next. And you can add multiple text, music, pictures, whatever you want, or you can also apply some filters if you want to. After that, just click on next. And now you can add a caption. So I'm gonna say here, test carousel. Now you can add some hashtags to it, add location, tag people, add music, whatever you like. And after that, you can just select if you want to post it on Facebook as well or threads. So select all of your preferences and after that, just click on share. After waiting for some time, it will show up in your profile grid. As you can see, it's showing right here. If we open it, it's a carousel just like so, including multiple pictures. So if you want to delete any of the particular picture, for example, this one in the middle, what we can do is just click on these three dots and click on edit. And you can select and delete this particular picture from this trash icon right at the bottom in the corner. So click on delete and you can save the rest of them. So your carousel will be intact, only that particular picture will be deleted just like so. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on Instagram, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.